Hi, this is Dave with Dave Created. In my last video we made an elf cutting board, and I was going to make an elf soup using that cutting board. No, not a soup out of elves, a soup that elves would eat. Well, in my last video I noticed that as I was cutting the food up and I'm getting ready to stir it, I didn't have an elf stirring spoon. So today we're going to make an elf stirring spoon to make our authentic elf soup.
Yeah, what's that? Oh, puppy. Good girl. Yeah.
Now on the spoon, I'm wanting it to look very elf-like, so I'm doing the leaf for the bowl part of the spoon and maybe some vines along the top of it here. I'm not real for sure at this point exactly how I want to do the design. If you do like this so far, please hit that like button. Just simple click on the button. I'll start cutting the wood. After I've cut out the sides of the spoon, I'm flipping it over on its side to draw out the profile view. I want it to have a bit of an arch so it looks aesthetically appealing. I also want to remind people that I'm not a professional and you should not do the same thing I'm doing, because what I do is not very safe when cutting on this. With it being so cold outside, it's nice to come inside to a stove that's heated with hickory and oak. And it smells great as well.
Okay, now what I'm doing is putting coconut oil on this spoon. I'm going to put it in the oven to kind of bake it in a little bit to cure the spoon so it'd be usable for soups. Coconut oil is really oily, but it's also really good for beards. I'll set the oven for 350. I'll pop it in there for about 2 minutes. And we are done. Now I just need to dry off some of the excess oil and we'll be able to start making our authentic elf soup. No, not soup made out of elves. A soup that elves would eat. I really like how this turned out. The leaf is like sitting on the roots of a tree, and the vine of the leaf goes around the handle of the tree, or the trunk of the tree, I suppose you would say. I made both of these out of cherry wood. Now to get my soup. This looks really good. I'm sure Elron would love this.
Wait a minute. This isn't an elf bowl.
If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe.